प्रीति।
I mean, उसका नाम सेजल होता है, प्रीति के
अरे
साथ
भाई
होता
वो
है।
बजर कर रही है डिगी।
अभी तो way she says प्रीति, like she's also questioning herself कि
I didn't hate the movie also.
अच्छा,
Like,
after that 10-minute rant of why
No, but I
Imtiaz Ali is such a
get-
bad director, क्यों नहीं दिखाया कैरेक्टर के बारे में इन्होंने, अनुष्का शर्मा को ऐसा क्यों बताया है?
पूरी मूवी में हमारे शाहरुख जी के 3 बटन खुले हुए थे शर्ट के, उसको मैंने बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया।
Hello. Welcome everybody to 10 रुपए की पेप्सी, हमारा शाहरुख सेक्सी. As usual, we are three friends. We watch an SRK movie every week and then we talk about it. मैं usually तो कहता हूँ कि we simp about it with no objectivity, but it's happened a few times where we are critiquing left, right, and center. So I will stop saying that. But we try to be not objective.
I don't think we try.
Uh,
I think we just tend to not be objective. I don't think
yeah,
there's
but
any
like, see, I
trial
think
required.
it
It's just natural
it
for us.
started off as कि नहीं हम बस सिम करेंगे do all good things, but then we came across a few movies where we were forced to find out what the flaws in the movie,
ये तुमको
and
आज ही का
if at
एपिसोड
all.
मिला था ये इतना राम कथा सुनाने के लिए, जहाँ मेरे को इतना स्ट्रगल हो रहा है सोचने के लिए कि क्या सिम करूं.
तो ठीक है ना, like I'm setting the record straight before we go into this movie. Like I think there are a lot of sympathy moments for this, but we'll get into that later. Coming to the movie that we're reviewing, where if you watch the last episode or listen to the last episode, you would know. But who am I kidding? It's not like we have so many loyal followers. So we have.
हमने
it's-
अनाउंस भी नहीं किया था क्या
किया
जब
था.
हैरी मेट
अरे
सेजल
हमने डिस्कस भी किया था यार, मतलब
हाँ, हमने
अच्छा
guess
अच्छा,
भी
मैं
किया
गुस्सा
था.
भी हो गई थी. हाँ, ठीक है.
Guys, are we trying to break a new record with every episode कि हम कितनी देर तक जा सकते हैं बात करते हुए without even introducing the film?
or mention. Okay,
हाँ.
I will get to it after that very non-subtle hint from Diksha. uh, so yeah, we're discussing Jab Harry Met Sejal this time. It was my pick. I wanted to see what people find so enchanting or mysterious about this movie, and after rewatching, what do they like so much about the character? Because I have watched it. I like most of his movies I watched in theater, especially the ones in 2010s, unfortunately, regarding some of them. Yeah, and I didn't like the movie, like straightforward. मुझे लगा था काफी कुछ missing है इसमें, but I thought let's give it another shot. Maybe now that some time has gone by, I will like the movie. Spoiler alert: I didn't like it that much, but I will get. But first, I'll sort of give you a quick plot summary, and you guys can keep jumping in and help me out here. So basically, Harry is this travel guide based out of Amsterdam. He works with a travel agency. He takes different tours who come mostly from India and takes them around Europe. He's from a small place in Punjab. He's a Punjabi. So
Noor
in
Mahal.
his latest
He is from Noor
Noor
Mahal.
Mahal. Noor Mahal. I will never forget that name. Like I legit waited for it जब वो आएगा. So for context, for people who don't understand this, we recently had a quiz about Shah Rukh Khan, and Noor Mahal was an important part of that quiz, and none of us knew about it.
And
But
Arpit
now,
was very
and
disappointed
now
in
you
all
know
of
as
us.
well. Yeah, so he's a travel guide. He's from Punjab. He's a proper Punjabi guy, and there's this Gujarati family उसमें से एक Anushka who plays Sejal. After the
Yes, sir.
tour is finished, she comes back and she has lost her ring, and that's where she tells him कि भाई, you don't have any choice. If you don't come with me, I will complain to your superiors. You have to go to every place that we went to, and we will try and track my ring down because it is very important to me. It is very important to my fiance. वो मुझसे लड़ लेगा, उसकी family inheritance है, etc. etc. So that's how it starts. They go around different cities of Europe. Very typical Imtiaz Ali sort of a movie where they're discovering themselves and discovering cities and places while traveling, like in Jab We Met and Tamasha. So yeah, they across different
And
cities and countries.
Rockstar.
But that's not a travel movie. I mean, it's a music movie. They discover, मतलब discover तो कर ही लेते हैं हमेशा, but it's not. I don't think it's travel is so much of focus in that movie. So yeah, across different cities and different countries, trying to trace down the ring, backtracking to people and places they went to and met, they fall in love, and the conflict comes in the form that she is already
No
engaged.
way! I couldn't predict it. That's what's gonna happen.
Spoiler alert. So yeah, she's obviously engaged. So he basically tells her, "Will you be the kind of girl who's going to break up with her fiance and elope with your travel guide?" She does that
चीप
eventually. I mean,
गंदे टाइप
cheap.
की लड़की जो एक टूरिस्ट गाइड के साथ चली जाएगी. Also, Diggy, sorry, but I'm gonna be like
No,
to
no.
Dekhi. You missed a very important plot point. कि शाहरुख बोलता है मैं तो प्ले टाइप का हूँ.
Yeah. So, okay. Maybe there's. I was about to tell Preeti, that is also not very important plot point, but I will take it. I will not stress that anymore. But Shah Rukh plays this sort of playboy sort of person who's hooked up with multiple women, still keeps doing that. Tells Anushka, "Ki, bhai, don't take me with you because I'm a pervert." Like he tells that very upfront to her, like in
But
those
to be
words.
fair,
Yeah.
he does exactly like zero perverted things in the entire course of their being together. So
I
he
mean, of
just says a lot
course.
of that, but like there's no actual, I don't know, evidence to the
Yeah.
fact.
I mean, I'll come to this. There's this interesting point
थोड़ा
that
सा
I wanted
फैक्ट
to
तो
make,
है, but
but मतलब he does zero perverted things because one, it's Shah Rukh Khan, second, it's Mumtaz Ali, and third, it's a rom-com in Bollywood. तो मतलब कितना perverted दिखाएंगे उसको. So yeah, but yeah, they fall in love. Eventually, she breaks up her engagement, and they live happily ever after in Punjab. Yeah, that's the story.
They don't live happily
I,
ever after in Punjab, no? They go back, I thought.
शादी करते हैं ना बस वो वहां पे. पता नहीं है, उसका घर देखते आता है और all of that, right?
Yeah, okay, we will come to it. It's okay.
He's like,
But
which irrelevant point should I counter first?
I mean, yeah, it's not addressed in the movie, but I thought that kind of is obvious. He's based out of India. He wants always to go back to India. He misses it. They show them going back to India. तो वहीं रहेंगे यार. मतलब
I
why
think
would
I
they
saw one of the
uproot everything?
deleted scenes, which was when मतलब I now realizing कि वो deleted scene था, वो movie का part नहीं था, but हाँ वो लोग वापस यूरोप चले जाते हैं, वो यूरोपियन किसी country में जाके settle हो जाते हैं, जहाँ पे
Is
शाहरुख
there
का
a
घर
deleted
था,
scene?
like yeah.
अच्छा. Okay, cool. I don't know. That's just my interpretation. Because it's a deleted scene for a reason. They deleted that part of the movie. कि वो नहीं है. So not
ताकि
canon.
हम ही लड़ाई कर सके कि वो यहाँ पंजाब में थे कि यूरोप में था ना, इसीलिए तो बनाया
Yeah.
था, डिलीट किया था उन्होंने.
So yeah, basically I'll give how I felt about the movie, and it's very similar to how I felt about. Like nothing has changed since I watched it back in 2017. I think it released, right? I think so. मेरे को ये लगा था कि the characters they try to build were very interesting. I mean, they like the premise was very good. The characters were very good. Shah Rukh also played the character he was given very well. Like I have no उसकी acting मुझे बड़ी अच्छी लगी थी. But I think the single biggest missing piece in this for me was the chemistry. I mean, there was nothing there. For a rom-com, you bank upon the two sort of lead, roles to really carry the movie quite a bit. And if the characters and the actors don't really exude that chemistry, तो फिर वो जमता नहीं है. So I think that's why it fell flat and also didn't do that well commercially. Premise बहुत अच्छा है. I don't have any problem with the story के यानी मतलब रिंग के पीछे घूमते रहे. That's I think that's what most rom-coms generally end up being, right? It's a silly premise and you fall in love through those little small silly things going, and that's fine. You just need to execute that a little better. I think वो नहीं हो पाया, chemistry थोड़ी missing थी. But and yeah, Anushka Sharma, I don't know. I think they could have just chosen someone else, some other ethnicity or some other character for her to play, or
Or
someone
she
else
could
to
have
play the
just played a
character.
Guju without that god awful fake
Yeah,
Guju
horrible.
accent.
Yeah, and it's also
But
sad that Anushka Shahrukh like as you said that it's not like कि उनकी movies में पहले हमने जो देखे chemistry नहीं थी. Like,
they have
but
very
this,
good chemistry. That's true.
yeah, it's not like we've not liked movies
Yeah.
where they were together earlier. Actually, though, हमें Zero भी
Yeah.
ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं आई थी. And
No, Zero
I've
was
actually,
But Zero,
That
I'll
unfortunately,
give
जब
one
तक ये जज
point of
होती है,
credit to Zero. At least the two of them had chemistry in that film. Like you
Yeah,
could
yeah,
believe that they fell in love, and like everything that was happening
yeah.
was because towards
there
the
was
end
something, like
there was
something was
something
there.
between them.
They were
Yeah.
hate, love, whatever. इधर लग ही नहीं रहा था, मतलब जैसे very clearly we just watched Yes Boss, right? And there's the chemistry is so there, it's so organic, you really feel. और कुछ भी कर लो तुम, जैसा भी प्लॉट हो, that chemistry will carry the movie, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था. But इसमें वो काफी मिसिंग था. And that's something that's the primary my complaint with the movie. Overall, I don't know, पता नहीं. It's an average sort of watch. इस बार मैं इतना इंटरेस्टेड नहीं था. पिछली like थिएटर में बैठ के मुझे लग रहा था it's okay, तब तो देख ली थी. But I think the biggest disappointment is that because it's Shah Rukh, right? And Shah Rukh came back to the romantic genre after, I don't know, after so long. बीच में कौन सी आई थी, इसकी कोई भी नहीं थी. Last
Dilwale.
romantic movie
And then
was
I guess उसने ही बोला
Dilwale.
था ना कि
I
that
don't
would
know,
be the
maybe.
last romance he'll do.
Yeah, and Dilwale is more of a drama movie, masala movie, because it's a commercial portfolio sort of a movie. They try to make out of it proper rom-com nahi thi wo. This was like a proper rom-com. Exact up Shah Rukh's alley, right? Foreign locations, बहुत अच्छे गाने, all that jazz, cute romantic moment. But I think it just didn't do that well because I don't know, the chemistry just didn't really work for me. I will stop speaking. मैं बहुत देर से बोली जा रहा हूँ. I will just let maybe Diksha say
देखिए
a
तुम्हें
few
मौके
words.
कम मिलते हैं फिर बहुत देर तक बोलने के लिए. हम सुनते हैं तो लगता है जैसे या तो प्रीति बोले जा रही है या फिर मैं ही बोले जा रही हूँ. टिकी को बीच
I
बीच
think
में कुछ
I actually just get a new mic. I should get a new mic. Whenever I'm trying to speak, मुझे लगता है things just blow over. But yeah, I think that's my major sort of gripe with the movie.
So I
Overall,
will
average watch ही है.
Yeah,
Good.
I will agree with you that the premise was really good, but I'll disagree that the characters and the characterizations were interesting. I felt like they tried to make it interesting. Like the only
Yeah.
thing going for the characters was like literally it felt like their prompt was, okay, you are an interesting character. Like there is no definition of what that interesting is. There is like, these broken flashback sequences or like, sudden close-ups to their face where they get all serious, where you feel like you're about to learn something about their personality, about why they are the way they are, but that fizzles out immediately. Like it literally just goes from, sudden look of anger on his face to suddenly making a snarky comment that is completely unrelated. Like I honestly felt like the character development was very poor. It was an interesting
Agreed.
premise,
Yeah.
and if they'd just, I don't know, if they'd just been normal people, instead of this really try hard fucked up people, like, they're not actually fucked up, but you want to ensure that the audience is aware that they are quote unquote fucked up people, then I feel like the movie could have had some substance to it. It could have had a lot of potential. I also one bone to pick with this film is that there is this constant undercurrent of blatant sexism,
Yeah.
of like,
Yeah.
कि ऐसी लड़कियां
Blatant.
वैसी होती हैं, वैसी लड़कियां वैसी होती है. Like there are certain girls who are made to date and have sex with, and there are certain girls who are made to get married.
Yeah.
And it's very, I really dislike this about Ye Jawani Hai Deewani also. And again, when I was watching this, it just made me really angry. And I'll tell you why it made me even more upset. Like it just pissed me off, was because that kind of a mentality always absolves men of any kind of responsibility. मतलब लड़का चाहे जैसा भी हो, nobody gives a fuck, but like लड़कियों का वो मतलब एक bucket बना देते हैं, right? And to put
Yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan in that role
In that
of
bucket.
that man, I was like so upset about it. I was just like, this is not acceptable to me. And I was like constantly reining it in कि it's okay, it's just a movie, it's just a character. मतलब वो खुद भी उसके expression पे ऐसा लग रहा है कि he's upset about the role that he has to play. And that's where like I noticed, even though he went out of his way to explain that he's a pervert, he didn't really do anything in the film that like would actually make him out to be a pervert, except maybe flirting with one woman. And I would also argue that flirting with a woman does not make you a pervert, especially if
Yeah.
it is consensual. And it didn't look like he was doing anything non-consensual in that scene, even if it was a little icky to watch. But yeah, I think that aspect of the movie just definitely left a sour taste in my mouth, and it took me a while to get past that and to, be kind of okay with at least the premise and the ठीक है यूरोप घूम रहे हैं, रिंग ढूंढ रहे हैं, थोड़ा कॉमेडी हो रहा है, थोड़ा मतलब गाने वाने गा रहे हैं. They kept like flashing back to something, as I said, right? Ki they're about to show you something that will give you insight into the characters, but they don't actually do it. So yeah, it was मतलब very up and down की interesting होने वाला है नहीं हुआ, interesting होने वाला है नहीं हुआ. It was like that kind of a roller
Yeah, I think
coaster for me.
that's very true. Matlab, what I meant was in the interesting characters, कि they try to build interesting characters
Yeah.
and you kind of know where they're coming from, but they didn't flesh them out in the sense that we don't really know why Shah Rukh is sitting down and crying in the morning, right? I mean, we can
Yeah.
guess he's
Yeah.
homesick, but at least give us a little bit of a history behind that
Yeah, it
character, right?
felt
She's
like
an
उसको
interesting
कुछ
character.
he went through some trauma or something. I'm
हाँ,
like, what
trauma
was that
exactly,
trauma
right?
that he went through? Nothing. They just like then the
हाँ,
end they go
like
back to Noor Mahal and like he's just meeting all of his relatives and they're all happy to see him and I'm like, यार ये
And
इतना क्या
what was
क्या
it? क्या
yeah,
था
what
issue?
was it? What were they
सब
talking
जाते
about?
हैं.
Like I'm not denying people have mental health problems, but I feel like Tamasha did a much better job of like building up to Ranbir Kapoor's psychotic breakdown than
Because they
like
spent a lot
this
of
movie did.
time.
Yeah, they
They really
really developed
spend a
those
lot of
characters
time.
well.
हाँ.
Both Naina and Ved, I don't remember if it was her name was Naina, but both Deepika and Ranveer characters, they developed really well. So like Tamasha also was a mixed reception film, but I liked it when I watched it, and I felt like
Yeah.
their stories were believable. This did not feel believable at all. Like it the only part of it maybe was where where she's having that dilemma ki matlab am I the type of girl who will run away with a tour guide, and then he gets all offended, and I felt like they really could have made a statement at that point in the film, and it was almost like they were going to but they didn't, and that's where I felt like it was a very matlab hit and miss, constant hit and miss movie.
Yeah. I think there's Preeti, I mean, your thoughts, and then we sort of discuss more why this movie is the way it is. Like, first of
Yeah,
all,
I
had
have
you
too
seen this movie when
many.
it came out? Did you see the movie when it
No,
came out?
no,
Nahin.
no.
This
I
is your
think
first time
you're the
watching it.
only one. Yeah, this was
मैं
my
अकेला ही
first
था
time
क्या?
watch.
अच्छा,
हाँ
okay,
हाँ आप
interesting.
भी अकेले थे. Uh, मैंने नहीं देखी पहले. Also, we forgot to mention that this is streaming on Netflix. But
I mean, at this point, I don't
but
think anyone's really waiting for this piece
Yeah,
of
I think they'll
information. They
like
also know कि ये इन लोग से
episode
तो नहीं
comes out
मिलेगी
इनसे तो
information.
नहीं होने वाला, मैं गूगल करके चेक कर लेते हैं कि
But yeah, first time watch for me. I agree with so many things that you guys have said, and I want to start on a positive note and then go to
The
my
music is nice,
problematic.
Preeti.
No,
प्रीति अच्छा मुझे ये
no.
बताओ कि what song really resonated with you? वो कौन सा गाना था? ये गाना मेरे को सबसे ज्यादा पूरा
Actually,
एसोसिएट कर लिया मैंने इससे.
हाँ मैं बताती हूँ कि मैंने शायद इस मूवी के सारे गाने तो मैंने पहले कभी नहीं सुने होंगे अच्छे से. अब मुझे पता भी नहीं कि ये गाना इस मूवी का है.
अच्छा.
अम, वो वाला कौन सा गाना है यार. जो भी है, जो फेमस गाना है यार इसका, अभी मेरे को याद नहीं है.
सफर हवाएं, I don't know.
हवाएं
फुर.
Hawaii.
Yeah.
So Hawaii, I've always liked the song back
It's a
back
good song.
when it came also. It's a good
Yeah.
song. I don't
Yeah.
feel particularly, I don't have any emotions towards it as such.
अच्छा.
But सफर मैंने सुना होगा मैंने उस टाइम पे नहीं सुना था. But now because I am at a stage in life where loneliness or the feeling of gloom and all of that is something. And I think they shot that song pretty well. And I think it's Shah Rukh Khan's ability to just carry that loneliness. Like, I feel so sad. I also have very big problem with Imtiaz Ali as a director, and I think उसका दिमाग थोड़ा तो खुद का ही fucked up है उसको, इसलिए उसको कुछ तो depth दिखाने से कभी-कभी problem होती है, especially women. I think Imtiaz Ali hates women, which is something I will discuss at some other place. But
Okay.
that song, like पूरी movie में, I think my favorite thing about the movie was that Shah Rukh's gloom, like the loneliness that he carried within himself. We don't know why. Maybe that's okay, but he did it pretty well. So Safar worked like
Yeah.
a lot more for me now than it did. I didn't
I
even
also
remember
liked
about
I
the.
also liked Safar a lot, and I thought that the way the movie started, it felt promising. Like the initial feel that I got from when I was watching the movie was maybe this is going to be like another fan where I discover a movie that I like. Which immediately in the next scene when Anushka shows up, I was like, what the hell is going on? This is really weird. But that one first scene where like he's just like, lost in his thoughts and he's moving from country to country, that loneliness that you said, that I really liked.
And मैं अभी एकदम से अपना मतलब जोन आउट हो गई, सॉरी,
Sorry.
बट मैं ये बोलने वाली थी कि पूरी मूवी में हमारे शाहरुख जी के 3 शर्ट, सॉरी 3 बटन खुले हुए थे शर्ट के, उसको मैंने बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया
Of course.
ठीक है,
Of
fucking
course.
amazing. Shahrukh looked fucking damn hot in the movie. The tattoo, all of that, like he's him, yeah. So I think I like some of that. My biggest complaint is कि ये सारे जो कि लड़की उसको बताएगी कि वो pervert नहीं है, वो तो अच्छा लड़का है, because Anushka does tell him कि this is a story that you keep telling, but you haven't necessarily behaved in that manner
I
at
can
all
fix
in this whole
him.
trip. हाँ, कि भाई क्या प्रॉब्लम तेरे इम्तियाज? Why do you need women to fix your fucking men? So I think, sorry,
वो
हाँ,
वेट
sorry,
कर
मेरा
रहा है ना
गुस्सा
कोई
आ
आके उसको
गया।
फिक्स करेगा,
हाँ, नहीं,
इसलिए प्रोजेक्ट कर
so
रहा है.
yes, so that was my like I didn't like, probably I did not like Imtiaz's perception of the movie, although the movie is made well, like if you see the camera work or
Oh,
editing or
हाँ.
all of that, like in that ways it
The
doesn't feel जैसे,
cinematography, the background music, all of that is
हाँ,
good.
like it
But I think
placed
the
well.
screenplay is still shit. In the sense कि it
हाँ,
seems very
yeah,
broken.
the
अभी
screen,
अभी हो रहा था, अभी हो रहा था, अभी हो रहा था. Broken बहुत है.
जैसे रईस के साथ मेरा इशू था कि उसके जो गाने आ रहे थे या जो भी बैकग्राउंड था वो उस मूवी से टेक अवे कर रहा था,
हाँ.
Yeah,
बट
that was not
इन
a
दिस
problem here.
मूवी ऐसा
अरे वो
बिल्कुल
मूवी
एकदम,
बेस्ड ही यूरोप में है
हाँ,
ना. मतलब everything will sort of
हाँ,
go from Bollywood का go to destination for songs is Europe. The movie is based in Europe, so वो अच्छा लगेगा ही. But I also felt कि it seemed like अभी गाना आया, 5 मिनट का सीन था, फिर एक और गाना आ गया. Like मतलब it
हाँ,
just
there was that
seems
one point with 2-3 गाने थोड़े back to back
दो,
almost हो
हाँ,
गए थे.
दो गाने
हाँ,
तो
हाँ,
all
हाँ,
within I think 2-3 मिनट स्टार्ट हो गए थे, and that seemed, वो मुझे लगा था I think song should really complement and elevate the movie. सही पॉइंट पे
क्योंकि
सही गाना.
बताने को नहीं था ना इम्तियाज के बाद उनके कैरेक्टर के बारे में कुछ भी, तो क्या
अरे तो
करेगा, वो
वो
गाने
he could have
डालेगा ना.
used he could have used the songs to sort of talk about the characters. अगर आपको अनुष्का के बारे में बताना है, like we don't really know much about Anushka as a character, other than
Yeah,
the fact
so
that she's a
I was
lawyer, ex-lawyer and a fiance and sings on birthday
किस चीज की
parties.
लॉयर है? लॉयर
है
मतलब
ना?
लॉयर है ना, किस चीज की
Wannabe
लॉयर
lawyer
है?
sorts.
नहीं
हाँ.
वो सब भी
डिवोर्स
ठीक है, but the
कराती
way
है.
they introduce Shah Rukh Khan, where they give you that indication that he's going through something or like he's lonely or whatever, they didn't give that sort of a similar introduction to Anushka. Like she didn't get that full, somewhat
हाँ.
holistic
Yeah.
development. And like I mean, after a point, neither of the characters had any development, but at least you're introduced to Shah Rukh Khan ki matlab हाँ कुछ तो इसका लोचा है, and through this movie he's
Yeah.
going to grow. With Anushka, she just turns up, she seems like she's got everything sorted, but there has to be some seed, like something to indicate ki matlab she's also dissatisfied. Like वो नहीं था. I
Yeah.
felt like it
Yeah.
came very suddenly in the end when she just like, spoiler alert, she finds the ring in her purse. And then you feel
which
ki
I don't
matlab
think is a spoiler alert, Diksha. Sorry for interrupting you. Because first 5 minutes into the movie, I'm like, ये बैग में नहीं लगी देखना ये ring, because it kind of feels कि वो फोटो देख रही है और ये कर रही है, मतलब आईपैड पे ढूंढ रही है, तो लास्ट मतलब आई डोंट नो, इवन दैट होल थिंग कि वो आईपैड पे फोटो देखती है फिर वो एक जगह पे जाती है, दैट आल्सो डिडंट रियली सेल वेल फॉर मी. बट हाँ, like sorry, I don't have problems with, I don't know, Shah Rukh, Anushka, like apart from that they don't have a chemistry in this movie, but more with Imtiaz Ali's perception of, I don't know, normal people or fucked up people. Because then like everybody's fucked up in some ways or the other. No, that's what I would have wanted to know a little bit more in the movie. But other than that, I didn't hate the movie also.
अच्छा,
Like,
after that 10-minute rant of why
No, but
Imtiaz
I
Ali is such a
get
bad director, क्यों नहीं दिखाया character के बारे में इन्होंने, अनुष्का शर्मा को ऐसे क्यों बताया है? But ठीक है,
I
I
get it.
didn't
I
hate
get it.
the
I
movie.
kind of agree. I didn't hate the movie either. Like,
Yeah,
if
yeah,
I have
you
to,
don't see, there's not enough in it to feel strongly about it either ways,
हाँ,
is what I
मतलब
feel.
अगर आ रही है
Substance
टीवी
ही
पे
नहीं
तो मैं
होता.
देख लूंगी. It's not something that I will like. Yeah, there are aspects of it that I definitely really hated, but on the whole, it was not an unenjoyable film.
it was not an unwatchable film,
Yeah.
but it
I
it
love
made
the
me
mental
angry
gymnastics
also.
we collectively are doing.
देखो, मेरी एक और सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज मेरे पास अच्छी चीजें बात करने के लिए आई थिंक थोड़ा कम है इस मूवी में, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द फैक्ट दैट शाहरुख खान लुक्ड वेरी वेरी हॉट एंड ही एक्टेड रियली वेल.
Shahrukh looked very
The
hot.
other, yeah, the other thing that I didn't, one thing that stayed with me and I didn't really appreciate at all was how unsafe they showed everything for Anushka as a woman. If she's dressing a certain way, like, okay, like I understand, Diksha, like you said on the chat also, maybe she picked the worst, shadiest bar to go to in Prague, where Prague mein the na wo, I don't know, or Amsterdam. But then,
Yeah.
yeah, but I don't think, like, I think we are giving too much credit for it. Maybe that's not what they meant. The whole kidnapping situation, like, every time I was trying to feel comfortable, I just, like, then they'll show a kidnapping or an unsafe thing happening because of Anushka or whatever, because she's a girl and everything.
I
तो
don't
मेरे
think
को फिर
that.
why?
Yeah, I don't agree with that because, like, at least the second kidnapping, I mean, not the second kidnapping, the second incident, which was the kidnapping, was because of Shah Rukh Khan. Like, as in, it was him who walked into a little mafia's den and just said, ki, ha, you have a ring, give it back to us. And then that guy was like, ha, hum de denge. And then they walked out and they were chilling and then they got kidnapped, right? And the first one, again, like, she went to a really shady pub, and I can say that with some amount of certainty because, like, people there had Nazi patches on their arms, like, so it had to be shady. Like, इतना भी open नहीं हो सकते हो तुम अपने beliefs के बारे में Europe में भी. Like, people have tattoos and all, but they hide it. I think I'm pretty sure it's illegal to have like Nazi symbolism on your person and walk around in certain parts of Europe.
Yeah, so that's what I'm saying. I'm not sure if that is coming because मतलब इम्तियाज ने ऐसा सोचा कि नाजी पैच लगा हुआ है तो इसका मतलब है कि बहुत ही शेडी बार होगा या समथिंग. मतलब that representation of, I think, Amsterdam and Prague
Wait,
and
Preeti,
the whole,
wait. Let me ask you this. Do you have an issue
हाँ,
with representation of places in Europe being unsafe for women, or do you have a problem with Imtiaz Ali using Anushka being, unsafe in a place as a plot point? He's using that as a plot device that she is the one who's in danger. It might be justified within the story that she's in danger, but the fact that he's using it as a plot point, is that what we have an exception with?
I
That
think I
I
have
can understand.
problems a little bit with both, more so with the second part, but
Okay,
हाँ,
first तो
ये
ठीक
भी
है.
कि
First I can understand because yeah, there are it's not like Europe is completely safe, right? I mean,
हाँ
there are
मतलब
unsafe places
लियम
everywhere.
नीसन
मतलब
की मूवीज देखी है ना सबने.
ये देखो.
मैंने चैट में भी
पहला
वही
part तो I
बोला
can
था.
understand कि there are unsafe places, and but it's also, I don't think they go so deep into it. But I can understand they're using it as comic relief also.
हाँ, so which is मतलब पता नहीं, जमा नहीं मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मेरे बहुत सारे फीमेल फ्रेंड्स हैं जो यूरोप जाते हैं या
यार,
एम्स्टर्डम घूम रहे होते हैं
see,
वो
वो
कल्ले
तो है,
कुल्ले, तो
मतलब
ऐसा कुछ
point,
इतना
there are
मतलब,
safe places everywhere. A lot of people come to India and say कि हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत safe लगा, but a lot of people also say कि भाई, it's okay, your experiences don't invalidate other people's experiences, right?
Yeah.
People can feel unsafe in a place and other people can also feel safe.
And
So
you
there are
can't
unsafe
deny that there
places.
are very safe places and there are very
yeah,
unsafe
yeah.
places. And like
Yeah.
there are certain behaviors and certain like expectations of how you should be interacting in public to keep yourself safe. Like it's not ideal, but even in New York, like when I went there, I mean, there are areas of New York that my sister absolutely said, do not go. Like, there are people there who are shooting up all the time. They have guns. Like,
Yeah.
you don't have you can't carry in public, but like, I don't know what the laws are exactly. People do have firearms there, and there are certain
Yeah.
areas that you're expected to avoid. Now, Sejal in this movie did not seem like the kind of person who knew ki, matlab, there are these areas that you should avoid. She seemed very naive, honestly. And I feel like she was very capable of just walking into an actual bar where there are Nazis around who will do, like, who will fuck shit up. So, I mean, I didn't find that part to be unbelievable. But yeah, to Tiggy's point, if that, like, if that being used as a plot device was what was the problem, then yeah, I agree. As in, just because she's a
Matlab,
woman,
I think
she's
I was very
unsafe.
triggered. I was very triggered that she goes into a bar and somebody just taps her on ass just like that. And it's a plot point or something in the movie also. Like, I think most of that made me very, like, not like it. I don't know. So,
मतलब I can understand to some extent that they're using one that as a plot point that she's unsafe in those places. Second, then Shah Rukh is coming as a savior in those places. He's sort of the knight in shining armor.
What I didn't like
So
about that was that it felt like she was going out of her way to be that person who
yeah,
gets into that scenario, because
and
like
obviously
that's
being
what they
feeling very
gave her as a
unnatural
character
about
trait,
it.
ki she wants to be, like, matlab, perceived as one of those women, like, quote unquote, which was what I told you at the beginning, right? Like, she's herself being sexist towards other women, which is what I had a problem with.
Also, there's also a scene, right? Starting में होता है when they're in a club and Shahrukh is telling Anushka ये तू तो है ही नहीं ऐसी, like तुझे गंदी नजर से देख ही नहीं सकते, like तू बड़ी अच्छी सी like whatever dialogue he says, but he says that तुझे गंदी नजर से देख नहीं सकते, तू है ही नहीं वैसी. And so, and I might be remembering the name incorrectly, but there's something called the Madonna whore complex, right? Where in the sense,
yeah.
yeah, like the girl that you love, you don't, like, you see her as very pure and in a non-sexual way, and other women you are sexually attracted to whom you see as more promiscuous and sexual. So I think it is sort it this what happens here is somewhat similar, since he sees her as this virtuous, pure sort of woman who he calls himself empowered, and then he sleeps around with other women. That I find
Interesting.
was a little
I didn't think
problematic.
of
But
it that way.
usually I don't really have a problem with these things, because if the director or they're trying to show a character who's problematic, that's fine. Showing a character as sexist is not an issue. Justifying that is an issue. I'm divided between whether they did a good job of it, because they do say that he upfront tells her, like, I'm not really a good guy, right? I'm a bloody pervert. So it's not like he's glorifying any of the things that he does, and they do show that it's not really fulfilling for him whatever he's doing. So yeah, I mean, I just had open thoughts about it. I don't know if you guys noticed this or have any thoughts around this.
No, the Madonna or complex thing is very interesting thing actually. मैंने उस तरीके से सोचा नहीं था. मेरे को अपना ASCOM के सब्जेक्ट की याद आ गई suddenly.
कौन सा?
MBA में आता ना ASCOM.
ये कौन सा सब्जेक्ट था भाई? मैंने भी किया था MBA, साथ ही किया
The
था.
communication like something like it's a
ASCOM.
acronym. मुझे तो कोर्स का याद नहीं है. प्रज्ञानक पढ़ाती थी. So
Right.
As communication. You just talk out of your ass. And then
and then
have
make
no
a
idea.
sexist character and try to justify about it. But anyway, हाँ मेरे को एक चीज बात करनी थी. Shifting away from earlier dislike or triggers, कि मेरे को बार बार मैं मूवी देख रही थी, and when there was a switch happening in Shah Rukh's character, like when he is trying to be nice in front of people and then वो पंजाबी में गाली दे रहा है या फिर जो भी बीच बीच में there is this anger, Shahrukh and like
Uh,
Harry and whatever, and like the way and the lehza in which he is speaking. And there were many parts in the movie where I thought, "Ki this is Baua."
yeah, I agree. हाँ, yeah. जब
And
वो that's also like reflective of Shahrukh being Delhi guy.
हाँ मतलब मेरे को
नहीं,
बार
but
बार
I
ऐसा
think
लग रहा
that
था कि
Bawa has that thing about him, no, where he's like frustrated at the world for his situation. वो
हाँ,
frustration निकल के आ रही थी. Like it's not just the Delhi boy. Like he was angry, and
हाँ
like that he was
हाँ
holding that
so
anger in.
that
एंड
see
दोनों मूवीज में
that
ज्यादा
sort of
डिफरेंस
diction,
नहीं है
that diction
डिगी
and the way he says, sorry, what are you saying?
सर हाँ बोलो यार कोई नहीं अब मैं बाद में
मैं
बताती
बोल रहा
हूँ
था कि that diction and the way he says, तीन जगह वो दिखता है आपको, one in Baua, second in Harry, and third in Fan, गौरव चन्ना. Those
यार
three में
लेकिन
वो बोलने का तरीका बहुत similar है, and I think somehow Shahrukh takes it from his days in Delhi. That's what I feel.
सो आई डिसएग्री बिकॉज मेरे को फैन मतलब फैन वाले शाहरुख में और क्या नाम होता है उसका गौरव ही होता है ना उसमें नाम उसका हाँ
गौरव हाँ.
गौरव हैरी और मतलब प्रॉब्लली मेरे को नहीं चमकता बट मैं जब ये मूवी देख रही थी तो मुझे बार बार ऐसा लग रहा था कि इवन अनुष्का's वे ऑफ कम्युनिकेटिंग इवन दो शी इज ट्राइंग टू हैव एन एक्सेंट and in Zero as well she was trying to have a lisp because she has cerebral palsy so I
हम्म.
saw there were some points where I just मेरे को बीच बीच में ऐसा लगा था ये दोनों हैरी और सेजल नहीं है यार मतलब जीरो चल रही है बीच बीच में like that was what was happening and maybe it's just in my brain but it also kind of makes sense because they shot the movie probably almost together क्योंकि वो 17 में आई थी वो 18 में आई थी और maybe I'm reading too much into it but
I think you're reading a little bit too much into it.
हाँ but मेरे को
But
बहुत बार
हाँ,
ऐसा लगा था ये
बट
बउआ आ
मुझे
गया यहाँ पे
शाहरुख और
हैरी नहीं
बउआ
है
में थोड़ा थोड़ा बीच सिमिलैरिटी आई थी. बट टू दिस पॉइंट आई हैव so that was one of my favorite parts of the movie where Shahrukh would just start talking in Punjabi and like that when he goes like मैं अम्बलड़े so like I was so impressed with that dialogue. I started using that and I was in Bangalore then and all my friends were like from south, like from Tamil Nadu or from Kerala
and
or stuff like that. And while talking, man, I would just go into like, "मैं अम्बलड़े," and they would be like, "ये what? Sorry, Digvijay, what are you saying? This makes no sense." I was like, "Oh, I will have to give a lot of context behind why I'm saying this." But that was one of my favorite parts of like Harry as a character. Him just breaking into Punjabi when he loses it.
yeah very 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 cute anger busts he had but हाँ मेरे को
That's one
लगा
of
था
the like
बउआ आ गया
he could have been a very deep character had to really paid given time to sort of flesh him out. थोड़ा 10-15 मिनट ऐड कर दो मूवी में, कुछ नहीं होता, कहीं और से काट दो, but at
हाँ, इतनी
least
लंबी मूवी भी नहीं थी. मतलब you could have spent
हाँ
that
give
extra 10-15 minutes giving the characters
yeah,
some.
हाँ do justice to the characters. अगर I mean, because I felt like I've seen Shahrukh not act well, right? I think Zero में I felt a lot of places wasn't really good. But
यहाँ
this
ऐसा
में
बिल्कुल नहीं लगा
हाँ like he was given, I think character बुरा हो खराब हो, he did a really good job of it. I felt he did. I was convinced कि कुछ तो है हैरी में like कुछ तो है, like there is something there that I really want to know about him, which is probably why people are find such a deep character, but वो eventually flesh out नहीं हुआ. But his acting was, I think, top notch mostly.
हाँ, और इतनी सुंदर सुंदर टाइटेड शर्ट पहनी है उसने बटन खोल के
तीन
तो
तीन बटन खोल के, अरे यार.
बहुत अप्रिशिएट किया मैंने
Oh dear.
और मेरे को भी
Concept
ऐसे
creation
बनना
is
है
very nice.
वो वो बोलती है ना उसको अनुष्का सेज कि मैं इस पिल्लो को बहुत मिस करूंगी तो मेरे को लगा हाँ मेरे को भी ऐसा पिल्लो चाहिए गलत बात है चीटिंग है ये। वो सीन बहुत क्यूट था लेकिन हाँ so
Yeah.
yeah now I'm saying nice things what I liked about the movie. Also, before we go into the simp moments, I had one more song that I really liked, which was "खाली है जो तेरे बिना मैं हूँ वो घर तेरा मैं वो घर हूँ तेरा जो thing." It's
It's a good song.
I didn't
I
know
mean
it's from this movie actually, but I
yeah,
really
the
like I'll
songs are really, some of the songs are really good. It has a very good soundtrack. मतलब इस movie
I
का
didn't like the soundtrack. Sorry guys. I like
at
Safar.
all.
Safar was good.
Safar was good, Hawaiian was good, Furr was good. I think बहुत से गाने थे इसमें कुछ कुछ तो.
Furr कौन
Safar
सा
was
है?
good. I will just stick with Safar was good.
यार अब my music brain is -0, तो मैं तुम्हें Google Spotify लिंक भेज दूंगा. Don't ask me to say the lyrics or hum the
Diksha, you
song
didn't
or
like मैं बनी तेरी राधा.
No, I felt like the music tried too hard to be some kind of a new age soundtrack. Like it had I don't know if you guys saw, but Pritam collaborated with Diplo
yeah,
on the
yeah.
soundtrack.
4
And
में वही तो है. That's
हाँ,
the song.
I don't know. Even Radha, like it just suddenly वो बीच में वो auto tune वाला part आ जाता है, and I was just like,
हाँ.
it would have been an
Hmm.
okay song without that. Although I did have Radha on my run playlist like a few years ago when it came out. Because it was just good beats, and like Bollywood music anyways has been kind of a dud for the past decade or so. So you take what you get.
Yeah, true.
Hmm.
You guys want to talk about the same moments?
हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल.
Preeti,
Diksha, you start.
apart from the 3 buttons.
ओह ला. अपार्ट मतलब वो तो पार्ट ही है ना. तो उसके
Go ahead,
my
yaar, whatever you like.
very favorite scene, like when I think शादी हो रही होती है उसके उस फ्रेंड कलीग की,
Hmm.
या तो जब वो कुछ तो ऐसे धक धक करे नहीं, लाइक ही सिंग्स द सॉन्ग, और वो इतने इमोशन, लाइक जो भी वो जिस सल्ट्री कह लो, सेक्सीनेस कह लो, शाहरुख एज अ होल कह लो, बट जिस हिसाब से उसने वो धक धक करने लगा किया ना, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है यार दिस इज सो फकिंग क्यूट. Like I was like, हाँ बस यही, like yeah, very, like that's one of my favorite scenes. And another is
Hmm.
when he's just shouting around the sea with names, like Kuljit Kaur's name. I wish there was some like more to it, like thoda as a
Hmm.
movie lacking. But वो जो proper scene है when he's screaming, I think Shahrukh was really, and I was really simping for Harry. Yeah, so those like.
Yeah.
But Dhak Dhak was my favorite actually. So yeah, highlight of the movie.
Nice. Diksha?
I'll go next. So
Yeah.
I actually don't have like a cute simp moment or like a oh I love SRK wala simp moment. I'm gonna talk about his acting. In that moment, the first time when Anushka says that, मैं वैसी लड़की नहीं हूँ जो टूर गाइड के साथ भाग जाए, the expression change on Shahrukh's face was so powerful. Like
Yeah.
it's just burnt into my memory, like just the way his eyes move, and because the dialogue that came after it really failed to deliver. Like, and all the emotion that was conveyed in that aftermath of what she said was purely SRK expressions. And he did such a good job of it that it conveyed like what you wanted it to convey, right? And yeah, I think that I just remember as like a highlight for me. And then of course, buttons open and looking very
Hmm.
hot everywhere throughout the movie. But yeah, I think I don't have like a oh so cute, SRK, I love you, that kind of moment in this film. So
It's okay. हाँ मतलब मेरा भी ऐसा कोई वो नहीं है. I think I already talked about the fact that I love it when he sort of breaks into Punjabi and and he does that sort of multiple times के एक तो he says पसूड़ी, मतलब पसूड़ी basically means क्लेश.
अच्छा
पसूड़ी
लगा
पे
ना
जानी
पसूड़ी
है.
सुन के. कम कम
हाँ,
बोलते हैं मुझे.
पसूड़ी
हाँ
पे
दिल्ली में
जानी
तो
है.
बहुत बोलते हैं.
दिल्ली में बहुत बोलते हैं, हरियाणा दिल्ली में बहुत बोलते हैं that. So yeah, I mean the मैं अम्बलिने was just like it stuck with me like 7 years back. Even now, like I loved it. And uh, I think the part when he wakes up and he's crying is when I was first watching it, and even now is when I really got into the movie for like a minute, and then it took me out. But that 1 minute where I really wanted to know what's going on, and he was doing like a good job of it. Like obviously he's traumatized or something, right? He's telling himself, "Koi nahi kakke, koi nahi, koi nahi." That was, I think, very powerfully done scene. Again, sort of so many missed opportunities there to flesh it out, but that moment, Shahrukh, I think, did like a really good job. And I think overall वो ऐसे करता है ना, like a lot of my same moments in the past have been how his expression changes and flashes across his face, like the same moment. I think we've seen enough to know that he has very high acting caliber. It's just that when the story or the direction doesn't really do it justice, it kind of feels sucky.
Oh, I think I just
But
Yeah.
remembered
yeah,
one thing I wanted to say, not a simp moment, but it felt like this movie was a very badly made mishmash of Jab We Met and Tamasha. Like I spoke
Yeah,
about
yeah.
the
Because
parallels with Tamasha, but it was literally like,
yeah,
okay, there's this girl saving the guy and guy saving the girl syndrome where they travel all over the country. And at the same time, there's like some added aspect of mental health in it that is more extreme than it was in Jab We Met. Um, yeah, but like it could have been a lot better than it was. Like the premise really had potential. Um,
boy, बहुत potential था. They could have really done a
और
good job with this, but okay, didn't work. What to do?
हाँ, तो मेरे को एक चीज और ऐड करनी है क्योंकि मेरे
बोलो
दिमाग
बोलो.
में एक मोमेंट चल रहा था और जब भी मैं उसमें बोला था मुझे वो भी बात बताना था कि मैं भूल ही गई। तो ये जो शादी में आते हैं वो और उसकी शी इज वेयरिंग अ कुर्ता पिंक सूट पहनती है ना वो उस गाने में जब वो टर्बन पहन के आता है शाहरुख। तो
Yeah,
जो
yeah.
आउटफिट उसने अनुष्का को दिया है जो लुक दिया है इट इज वेरी वेरी रंगपुरेरी जब भी मेट का कौन सा है नगाड़ा बजा। तो
Nagada.
आई फेल्ट जब मैं उसको देख रही थी मुझे एकदम से ऐसा लगा कि नगाड़ा ये तो जब भी मेट के पे आ गए अपन। लेकिन उस मोमेंट में जब शाहरुख टर्बन पहन के बाहर आता है
Yeah.
एक तो इज लुकिंग वेरी हॉट ऑब्वियसली। सेकेंड इसकी वो पूछता है उसको इशारा करता है कि और कैसा लग रहा है ये मेरे ऊपर देसी एंड ऑल दैट। और अनुष्का जो एक्सप्रेशन बनाती है आई रियली लव इट आई वाज लाइक आई फेल्ट रिप्रेजेंटेड कि वो ऐसे बेहोश हो रही है ऑल ऑफ दैट वाज डन वेरी क्यूटली। बट या reminded me of Nagada as well.
Oh, guys, did you
Yeah.
notice that the like towards the end of the movie, wo jo gana aata hai when they're like getting married or whatever in
Mm-hmm.
Noor Mahal, she's wearing yellow. I noticed
Yeah,
that and I
yeah.
was just thinking it was like maybe somewhere apne throwback ki matlab yellow is the color defining their love, not pink or red or whatever. But yeah.
Red, yeah.
Yeah. All right, let's talk about review. Like out of 5, how much do you rate it? Would you watch it again? And without Shahrukh, would you watch it movie?
I think I would give it like a 2.5.
Yeah.
I liked it better than Zero, but I didn't like it better than maybe Donkey. And yeah, I think I would, if it's coming on TV and like the remote is far away, I might watch it rather than walking away.
I love that
But
criteria. The remote is far away.
I don't think I would opt to watch it voluntarily.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, fair enough.
And anyone other
Preeti?
than Shahrukh, maybe again similar. Like I don't think Shahrukh had anything to do with how I felt about the movie. So doesn't change my rating from 2.5.
At least we're being objective about this, which was the idea behind this whole
वैसे दीक्षा is being
segment.
objective about it.
बताओ प्रीति.
मेरी
your
बारी नहीं
rating.
आई अभी तो.
I mean, I'm asking you now. What is your rating?
3, like not as bad as a 2.5. 3, like 3, probably 0.5. If I had to give more, I'll give because of the some song, probably maybe Safar. But yeah, 3. Will I watch it actively again? Maybe no. Maybe क्या श्योरली नो until and unless मतलब कुछ और 5 साल बाद हम दोबारा से बोल रहे हैं कि रीरन करते हैं अब हम और बुढ़े हो गए अब हमें कैसा लग रहा है इस मूवी को देख के तो which I think हमें करना चाहिए by the way guys already giving ideas but हाँ like I think I enjoyed the movie or I even tolerated the movie because it was Shahrukh. Like I think like
Yeah.
now I am like हाँ अगर कोई और एक्टर करता है या रणबीर कपूर होता है लाइक आई मेरे को बार बार लग रहा था ये रणबीर को सोच के बनाई है उसने मूवी लाइक शाहरुख को सोच के नहीं बनाई है तो हाँ
Fun
मतलब अगर
fact,
रणबीर
this
होता
movie
तो
was
नहीं
offered to Ranbir pehle. Ranbir said no, and then Shahrukh took it.
मतलब पता
So
ही
you,
चल रहा था
so
ना
so
मतलब
you may be right कि रणबीर को लेके बनाई है.
हाँ तो अगर रणबीर को लेके बनाते तो मैं मतलब
And
probably I
this
wouldn't
was
have
supposed to be a
enjoyed it. I
darker movie.
tolerated.
like there was supposed to be a man who wants to commit suicide. So it was first Ranbir and then about a depressed man, I think. So though I think those are the elements that come up in Shah Rukh's character, but they changed. I think Shah Rukh said, "Okay, let's make it a more happy movie." But those elements sort of
क्योंकि
stayed
उसकी
in.
फैन नहीं चली थी ना, तो उसको लगा कि मैं डार्क मूवी बनाऊंगा तो कोई
Dark.
देखेगा ही नहीं. Which is kind of sad also. कि I would have really liked to see coping from depression Shah Rukh more apparently.
समझ ही ना
But
आता तो
yeah.
लोगों को. जितने लोगों ने ये देखी उतने भी ना देखते यार.
सही बात
But
है. हाँ.
okay,
तो
yeah.
हाँ, yeah. What would you Diggy?
I rated like 3, maybe. हाँ, नहीं, actually 2.75. 3 थोड़ा ज़्यादा हो रहा है. 2.75 and
0.75.
अब मुझे ऐसा
3
लगता है ना
थोड़ा
कि
ज्यादा हो रहा
2.5 बहुत कम है, 3 थोड़ा ज़्यादा है, बीच का कर लेता हूँ. मेरे को हमेशा ऐसे लग रहा होता है.
है.
And I don't think I will watch it again. वही अगर टीवी पे पड़ रही है, सब लोग बैठ के देख रहे हैं, तो I will watch it, not mind it. But otherwise, in today's day and age where you watch movies by selecting on Netflix, तो फिर तो मुश्किल है. ये मूवी तो नहीं सिलेक्ट कर रहा मैं. And irrelevant है शाहरुख हो या ना हो. मतलब it's this movie में the faults are somewhere else, not in शाहरुख. कोई और तो फिर तो I think definitely ना देखता. मतलब
हाँ, वही
let's be
वही
clear
ना यार,
about it.
मतलब देखी
हाँ.
शाहरुख के लिए मैंने तो, वरना तो मेरे को लग रहा है कोई और होता तो वो ऐसे बोलता कि तुम जैसी बदतमीज चीप, जो भी चीप टाइप की लड़की नहीं हो जो
हाँ.
लोग रही.
So
मैं तो उसी
मतलब
डायलॉग पे
this
हंसती थी.
question stands like stands valid when it's a very good movie, when you like the movie. So then you want to test whether you
हाँ.
would like it without Shahrukh. When you don't like it, तो फिर without Shahrukh का तो sense ही नहीं है. So फिर क्या आंसर करोगे, right? So I think
Yeah,
yeah, I
makes.
mean that's pretty much it. इससे ज़्यादा तो I don't have much to talk about it. But we can go to the quiz. Not that I have like a very robust quiz about this. बहुत सोच रहा था. Uh, but it's difficult to come up with questions for this movie यार. एक तो मतलब ध्यान से भी देखनी पड़ती है, देखने का मन भी नहीं कर रहा है. But yes, we will have like a very short quiz for this. Rules are the same. आवाज करके तुमको बजर बजर करना पड़ेगा, अपना नाम बोलना पड़ेगा. अगर
He's
मुझे
like
नहीं
आवाज
सुनना तो
करो.
तुम्हारे घर.
दीदी को मालूम है उसको, वो अपना नाम भूल सकता है, हम भी अपना नाम भूल सकते हैं, तो तुम बस आवाज करो, कोई भी आवाज नहीं करना, नाम वाम भूल गए तो चलेगा.
Okay, okay. So they're going to be very similar sort of questions. This is going to be a buzzer, mostly a buzzer based quiz. इसमें एक question थोड़ा interesting है, which is going to be the last. बाकी सब ऐसे थोड़े low effort questions है, ठीक है?
Cool.
Okay. So first of all, tell me what is Anushka Sharma's full name? Nobody knows.
प्रीति.
I mean, उसका नाम सेजल होता है, प्रीति के
अरे
कैसे होगा
भाई, वो
थोड़ी.
बजर कर रही है डिगी.
अभी तो way she says प्रीति, like she's also questioning herself, should I buzzer or
बजर
not?
गलत. हाँ, तो मैं अपना नाम ले रही हूँ यार.
Sorry,
सेजल
go ahead.
झावेरी.
Yes, correct. That's correct. Yeah, Zaveri, but yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's good. Okay, okay, same question. Give me Shah Rukh Khan's full name.
घंटा नहीं पता मेरे को.
अच्छा.
I'll give you a half if you give me a second name.
Is it Hardyal Singh Dhillon?
No, that is
Okay.
Dunky.
Oh
That is
shit.
Dunky. हार्डी होता वो तो यार, हैरी नहीं होता.
Sorry. Random, I'm like, यार
हरदयाल सिंह
क्या नाम?
ढिल्लों.
This is so
Oh
funny.
God. She's talking about donkey so much. No, that's not it. Do you know, Preeti?
नहीं याद यार, बिल्कुल. थोड़ा
Do,
हिंट
do you
दो.
know? Okay. Yes, his name is Harinder Singh. First Singh. Give me the पूरा नाम. Give me the last name. हरिंदर सिंह what? वो बहुत बोलता है बार बार अपने
कौन?
आप को भी. नहीं, कौर क्या?
करो तो फिर भी ठीक है.
वो ठीक है. She's a बिहारी living in Bangalore. कोई कनेक्शन नहीं है.
अरे यार ठीक है, मैं हरियाणवी अपने आप को मानती नहीं हूँ, तो इट्स ओके.
क्या है डी, बता दे.
नेहरा, नेहरा. हरिंदर सिंह नेहरा.
नेहरा.
Okay. नेहरा, नेहरा.
अच्छा, नेहरा ऐसे क्रिकेटर वाला
नेहरा.
नेहरा. ओ.
आशीष नेहरा वाला नेहरा. या
हाँ
या.
हाँ.
Okay.
ओह, इंटरेस्टिंग.
ठीक है, हमको ये तो पता है. ऐसी had Arpit not raise this because I would have asked you his place of birth, right? But you know that.
Nurmehal, Preeti, Nurmehal.
Nurmehal.
He just said he's
We all
not asking it, Preeti.
we also know that
I'm very good giving, Diksha, so
he,
yeah.
You
he
have 1
stays in.
point. Out of
That is
Give
what
me
you
two
are
you got
questions.
0.
Okay. Um,
Uh,
so he stays in Amsterdam, or like he's a nomad, but I think that's his base. Um, what's his nationality?
Diksha. He's
Okay, go
Canadian.
ahead. Oh, nice. Did you see this? Did you?
Yeah, I saw the passport and I noticed it.
You saw
I
the
was like, ये
You
पूछ
saw the
सकता है
passport. You
Diggy?
didn't see the name.
अरे नहीं नहीं मैंने बोला ना I'm bad with names. I don't
हाँ,
remember
के साथ ही
names.
तो लिखा था.
oh no, tie हो गया ये तो अब मैं नहीं जीत रही हूँ.
नहीं नहीं अच्छा तो उसका एक दोस्त होता है उसका नाम मयंक होता है वो बता unless तुमको याद नहीं था what's the nickname that Shahrukh refers to him by
प्रीति? मिक्की?
no but you're close
Diksha.
but I'll give yeah हाँ तेरी
Is
बारी
it
है
monkey?
मिक्की?
ये monkey good good okay okay so this is interesting right the whole movie is based on travel like all based on from going place to place to place to place
मेरे को पता था ये क्वेश्चन
तुम पहले बता दो तुम सिटी वाइज पूछोगे या फिर सारी चाहिए तुम्हें
सारे चाहिए मतलब
तुम क्या
मैं
पूछने वाले
क्वेश्चन
हो
बोल ले वो तो बोलने दे ना मैं बोलने दे so what I want you to tell me is where did so from the point that they're together right where they're introduced the two characters she comes running out of the airport the city that they're in start with that and then city by city I want you to tell me where do they go to and there might be repeats as well so how we'll do this and I've not really thought it through so this can get fucked up whoever buzzes first gets to say the city names the moment you get it wrong it goes to the other person
Diksha
and they have to continue the chain okay let me they have to continue the chain there's half a point for every city you get correct ठीक है this is
Okay.
very chaotic because ये भी मैंने pause करके जगह जगह जाके उसके मैप पे देखा था I might be
Does it
wrong
have to
also.
be in order?
Yeah, it has to. Otherwise
shit.
तो पता ही है ना कि destination तो याद ही है सबको but वो story में कहाँ कहाँ गए थे वो जानना है
Okay, Amsterdam.
okay half a point so you were at 2.5 Diksha Preeti is at 1.5 go ahead
Preeti's at 1.
sorry
Prague.
one yeah sorry
Prague.
Preeti
मैंने
Diksha
बोला
की
ना
बारी चल रही है नहीं she has to
अच्छा
give a
okay
wrong
sorry
answer
sorry
first yeah okay you were at 3
Okay. Amsterdam, then Prague. I think after that, I'm not answering. I'm just thinking out loud. They do that cruise wala thing, but I don't remember वो cruise कहाँ था. Oh shit. Okay, no. I'll say Lisbon.
no so you're at 3 it's up to Preeti now so Preeti Amsterdam and Prague ठीक है अब बताओ
मेरे दिमाग में बेल्जियम आ रहा है for some reason but I think that's not right
that's not
obviously
right but is that your answer I've told you it's not right it's just not it's definitely not
हाँ
ठीक है cool back to Diksha Amsterdam Prague
Do they go back to Amsterdam?
no I think ये ना बहुत fail होने वाला I think I should just ask you the different cities they go to
Okay, they went to Amsterdam, Prague. Then I think Lisbon. Definitely, they were in Portugal. So I'm just guessing it was Lisbon. I'm not sure if that was the city or not. They went somewhere in Germany. I'll just guess Berlin.
are you just telling me all the cities they went to
Yeah. Because
so okay
orders
let
नहीं
me
याद है मेरे को.
अच्छा ठीक है
और वो
तो
प्राग और एम्स्टर्डम 2 बार आते हैं ना एक बार उसकी शादी के लिए और एक बार जब वो उसकी एंगेजमेंट रिंग का कुछ तो होता है राइट
हाँ, they come
ठीक है
back to Amsterdam from Lisbon because the guy gets married, no?
I think the order is a little confusing. So let's just go by. So we've said Amsterdam and Prague. There's 1, 2, 3,
दीक्षा तो
4,
ले ले यार,
and
पॉइंट तो
5.
जीत गए।
And 5 more cities that you have to name
5 more
that
cities. Okay.
they went to, right? Uh,
Okay. Paris, Brussels,
Shahrukh,
Lisbon,
Paris, Brussels, Lisbon,
Berlin,
Berlin.
Vienna.
ठीक है, 5 cities you said. Now Preeti, you give me those 5 cities, and if you half a point per city.
Like I can give the same name she gave, right? If they're right.
हाँ, but लेकिन point क्या होगा ना, मतलब I'm not telling you if they're right or not. So you need to win. तो
Okay,
same
so
बोल के तो जीत ही नहीं पाएगी. एम्स्टर्डम प्राग
Amsterdam,
हो गया, एम्स्टर्डम प्राग हो गया,
Prague,
वो हो
ठीक
गया
है,
है. 5 बता
Lisbon,
इसके बाद. ठीक है,
उसके
लिस्बन, that's
बाद
one.
Amsterdam, Prague
लिस्बन
के
is
Lisbon,
first.
अलावा
Give me 4
5
name.
बोलने हैं.
एम्स्टर्डम प्राग के अलावा वो तो बोल दिया है, उसके अलावा 5 शहर हैं.
अच्छा, पेरिस, वेनिस, लिस्बन मैंने बोल दिया, राइट?
या
बर्लिन तो जाते हैं, आई थिंक सो. जर्मनी में कहाँ जाते हैं उसके अलावा? याद नहीं.
यार,
कितने नाम बोल
मुझे
दिए
शहर
मैंने?
तो याद थे, मुझे ऑर्डर देखना पड़ा था. तुम्हें शहर कैसे नहीं याद है?
इतनी ध्यान
शहर
से
तो
नहीं
मुझे
देखी
याद ही
थी
थे
ये
मूवी
मूवी.
देखने के बाद. इतने वो तो प्लॉट पॉइंट्स भी हैं यार, वो शहर के पीछे 2-3.
एक और मुझे नहीं पता
चलो
है,
4.
नहीं पता है.
अच्छा, अली मे बी 5 नहीं है, 4 ही हैं. दैट्स माय मेरे को. ठीक है,
ठीक
चल तुम. मैं एक रिपीट कर
बहुत
रहा था, बट ठीक है.
इंटरेस्टिंग है. हाँ
And
बताओ.
it's a I mean, I'm asking you to name the cities they went to in the movie. That is like not even a very difficult question considering
यार
that is
मतलब
the whole
आई
movie.
आई थॉट, मतलब आई न्यू कि आप इस क्वेश्चन पूछोगे वैसे. हाँ, तो यार
But
बता
still,
दो अब आंसर.
अच्छा, okay. So I'll tell you the order they go to overall. They start from Amsterdam, go to Prague, वहां से बुडापेस्ट जाते हैं, वहां से फ्रैंकफर्ट जाते हैं,
Oh,
फ्रैंकफर्ट से वापस बुडापेस्ट
Budapest.
जाते हैं, वहां से वापस बुडापेस्ट जाते हैं क्योंकि उनको बोलते हैं कि गो टू दैट टेरेस, वहां पे टेरेस में रिंग मिली थी. वहां से प्राग जाते हैं वापस, बिकॉज वो बंदी प्राग में होती है. जिसका जिसके पास रिंग होती है. वहां से लिस्बन जाते हैं, वहां से फ्रैंकफर्ट जाते हैं फॉर द वेडिंग. एंड द फाइनल सिटी दैट आई वाज लुकिंग फॉर वाज मुंबई. एंड उसके बाद नूर महल भी बोल सकते थे. तो
मुझे लगा
ओह.
यूरोपियन सिटीज बोल रहे हैं.
शहर बोला मैंने. तो
ठीक है,
नूर महल
बर्लिन
वाज द
की जगह
नूर महल वाज द
फ्रैंकफर्ट
5th
था.
सिटी.
But didn't they
बट
go
आई
to
थॉट कि
Vienna
लेट्स नॉट
also? I
से
thought they went to Vienna. My bad.
आई डोंट.
Cool,
मतलब
so I
I
win.
was
दीक्षा
following
wins
the map
it.
multiple times. But Diksha wins, yeah.
Look at Preeti's expression. Like her voice is saying yeah, her eyes are saying.
But I don't think प्रीति ने इतना ऐसे इन्वेस्ट किया भी था इस मूवी स्लैश क्विज में, तो शी इज प्रीटी ओके विद
हाँ
द
हाँ हाँ, मैंने
आउटकम.
बिल्कुल इन्वेस्ट नहीं किया था, मुझे पता था कि सवाल आएगा, मैंने एफर्ट भी नहीं मारा था कि मैं नोट करूं. तो ठीक है.
चलो, that's
जा
cool.
दीक्षा
Okay.
जा, जी ले अपनी जिंदगी.
Okay,
Cool. Okay, guys.
so next week we are doing a 90s film and मैंने movie
Who
pick कर
selected
लिया
it?
है. तो
Okay.
yes, डी schedule check कर सकते हो कभी बीच बीच में. बीच बीच में
Yeah, नहीं,
टाटा.
I knew कि. Okay, so we have to
सुन
guess,
ले
right?
जाता है तेरा तुम्हारा.
How many guesses do we get?
Just take one each.
Okay,
हाँ,
I'm guessing
बिल्कुल.
Ram Jaane.
चमत्कार.
Both those answers are wrong. I have
Oh.
chosen Maya Mimsa.
Oh wow! Oh
Ah.
wow! Oh nice! I am so looking forward to watching Maya Mimsa. मेरे को बहुत मन है 90s की cringe movies देखने का.
Have either of you seen
Perfect.
it?
No, I have no idea what the movie is about. I've just heard very bad things about it.
I saw like a lot of posts on Twitter and apparently it's a very controversy riddled movie and I was like, चलो
Yeah,
देखते हैं.
I know about the controversy. So I was reading about it.
Oh yeah,
on the
yeah.
book
I've seen the controversy. That's the only thing I know about the movie.
डिगी ये एक्सपेक्टेशन प्रीति से रखी थी मैंने, तुमसे नहीं रखी थी.
Okay.
But
Excited.
all right, guys. Next week, my name's up. Hopefully.
Thanks for
Okay,
listening.
guys. Thanks for tuning in. All right. Bye
Bye
bye.
bye.